In this video, we'll talk about why entrepreneurs don't scale. The qualities that serve them well in launching businesses often bring them down as their companies grow. According to the article written in the Harvard Business Review, entrepreneurs actually show their inability to switch to executive mode much earlier in the business development process than most people realize. Entrepreneurs have to learn new skills as their companies and ventures grow, and sometimes outgrow what actually got them started. The author talked about 4 tendencies that keep entrepreneurs from scaling with their businesses. The first tendency is the loyalty to comrades, the small band of colleagues there at the start of the enterprise. When founders look for co-founders, they often go to their own personal networks to find people who they think they can work with to get their venture off the ground. There is nothing wrong with this, absolutely nothing. The challenge becomes when people put relationships with friends and comrades above the growth and health of their venture. Sometimes misplaced loyalty will cause an organization to actually implode. When founders and entrepreneurs can't be objective about their organizations and what they truly need, then they risk the ability and the potential to grow their businesses based on relationships with friends and comrades. As a founder, you have to remember that your organization is just like a baby. You have to take care of it until it can take care of itself. You have to be objective in your hiring. You have to also be objective in your firing. The second tendency, which causes entrepreneurs not to scale, is task orientation. Task orientation is when an executive can execute brilliantly short-term assignments, but long-term strategy is often beyond them. As their companies grow, they often fail to establish strategic priorities. When you are the person that can execute, sometimes you are not the same person who can also lay out a strategy and give direction. When your venture starts to scale, you are no longer the person doing all of the hands-on work. You have people doing that for you. So what you have to learn how to do is get the work done without actually doing the work. A lot of entrepreneurs fail to shift between getting the work done themselves and getting the work done through others. They have to get the work done through others in order to grow their businesses larger than what they had brought it to. The third tendency that causes entrepreneurs not to scale is their ability to be single-minded. A person who has laser focus and is disciplined is one of your most valuable assets. However, a leader's devotion to a single issue can also damage a growing organization. Tunnel vision is not that bad, but tunnel vision is also not that good when you are trying to grow an organization. To help with single-mindedness, you must learn to be able to rely on others and receive input as well as diverse perspectives to help you get the best from everyone and be able to collaborate in a way that produces the highest quality product or service. There is no I in team. So while you may have a singular responsibility to lead the organization, you will not be successful unless you move together as a team and you are open-minded. The last tendency is the tendency to work in isolation. When you're a single founder, it is very hard to not work in isolation until you get a product or service ready for market. However, once you got that product going and you've got that service going and you're trying to grow a team, you need to collaborate. Collaboration works across all industries, and it also helps you be able to gain insights from industries that you can leverage to help your venture and your industry to become better. So if you take the time to address loyalty to comrades, task orientation, single-mindedness, and working in isolation during your company's formative stages, this will give you the best opportunity to have the best possible chance to grow your business to where it should be. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time.